Let's go. Good morning, boys and girls. I can't hear y'all. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning. Guess what today is? Hump, hump, hump Wednesday. Can y'all hump with your arms? Hump, hump, hump day Wednesday. Let's get busy with our calendars. I'm talking to group 1 and group 2. We got our friends who are going to write a paragraph. Oh, wow. I can't wait to see those pictures. Are you writing a paragraph at home? Well, in class, we have some friends who are writing our paragraphs. We also, with group 2, we have some friends who's going to circle. They're going to circle in class and at home. So, let's get ready with our hump, hump, hump Wednesday. Miss B gonna get the pen. Everybody got their marker or pencil. Everybody got their marker and pencil. Everybody have their folder or their book. Great. Let's begin. Pen. The month is, what's the month, guys? September. Can we say September? September. Let's spell September. Remember when Miss Alexis is doing your language art with you, with your nouns and pronouns, September have to be capitalized, okay? Capital S. Small e. This is for our friends who are writing in their paragraph. Small p. Small t. Small e. Small m. Small b. Small e. And small r. Our friends who are writing in our paragraph, do y'all have that? You have that back there, Daniel? Great job. Today's date. Can anybody tell me what today's date is?
2020.
That is the year, Kevin. Great job. But the date is the 23rd. It's going to be a 2 and a 3. So those who are writing, you're going to write a 2 and a 3. Those who have this circle, can you find a 2 and a 3? Can you circle that 2 and 3?
Yes.
Can you circle your 2 and 3?
Okay.
Can you circle your apple for September? Can you circle your apple for September? Circle it, please. And circle your 2 and the 3. And Kevin told us the year. Kevin, what is the year? 2020. So if you're writing, you're going to write 2020. And if you have your folder, you're going to circle 2020. Did y'all do that at home? Did y'all do it in the class? Yes? All right. Can you circle 2020? And guess what? The number 23. The number 23 is going to be an odd number. What is the number 23 going to be?
I know.
Good job. O-D-D. So if you're at home, you're going to write odd. And if you're circling, you're going to go to the next page. And can you trace odd for me right here?
Okay.
Can you trace odd for me right here? Did y'all get it?
No.
Okay, go ahead. O-D-D. We're going to circle it or we could trace it. Great job. Let's go to the next slide. What is the weather? What is the weather at school? What is the weather at home? What is the weather? Let's see. Is it storming outside? Is it raining by you?
No.
No. Is it sunny outside? Who have a big sun? Is it sunny at school?
Yes.
Yes.
What?
Can y'all find the sun?
It's broken.
Sun. Can you circle the sun, please?
I got it.
If you're writing,
I
if you're writing, sunny is spelled right here for y'all. And it's also on the board. Great job. Let's wait on the rest of our friends. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. Let's go to the season. Can everybody tell me what season it is? It came on yesterday. What is the season? Great job. So you're going to circle fall. F-A-L-L. Or you're going to write fall. The leaves fall off the trees. Fall. Fall. Can you circle fall? Yes. At home, do y'all have it? Great job. Let's go to the next slide. What is the temperature? What is that temperature? Is it cold? No. Is it cool? No. Is it warm? No. Is it hot? Yes. Look at Miss B sweating. Whew. Miss B needs to drink some water. It is hot. It is hot. So, it is hot. Okay. Clothes that we will wear. Will we wear a shirt? Who wearing a shirt? Yes. Yes. So circle shirt. Will we wear a jacket? No. Will we wear a sweater? No. What about shorts? Will we wear shorts? Yes. Will we wear pants? Yes. Do everybody have it? Can you circle your shorts and your pants? Can you circle shirt, shorts, and pants? Great job, Kevin. Oh, you have great listening ears. Great job, Kyrie. I love it. We're going to go to the next slide. At home, do y'all have it? Okay. What was yesterday, guys? Can anybody tell Miss B what was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. Our first graders came. No, our third graders came on yesterday, right? No. Our fourth graders. Was it our fourth graders? Where's the fourth grader in here? Do we have a fourth grader in here? Hi, Adrian. Fourth graders. Great job. Yesterday was Tuesday. If you write it in your paragraph, remember, Tuesday is going to be capitalized, right? Because it's a proper noun, right? It's a name. Remember Miss B and Miss Alexis? More Miss Alexis. That's her. Next, what is today? What is today, guys? Wednesday. 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 Remember, if you're doing a paragraph, Wednesday's going to be capitalized. The W. Wednesday. Y'all have it? Okay. And tomorrow. Y'all at home have Kevin? Let's go to the next slide. Tomorrow will be what, guys? Tomorrow will be Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Circle your Thursday. Are you going to write your Thursday, okay? Remember, your Thursday have to be capitalized, right? Let's go to the next slide. How many days those kindergartens been here? How many days have kindergarten been in school? 25 days. Right here. 2, 5. Y'all been in school 25 days. You've been working at home for 25 days. But guess what? The kindergarten who came back to school came back today. Welcome to school, Kevin. Welcome to school, Jeremy. We're so glad to see y'all. Y'all glad to see us? And 1st through 4th, we have been in school 30 days. So those who've been in school 30 days, 1st through 4th. Okay? Next slide. How many classmates do we have? 11. And remember, when we was helping those who did the paragraph, the number 23 is an odd number. Can you trace I? You already did it. But those at home, we're going to circle it. And if we go to our basic tens, we're going to use 2 sets of tens. And we're going to use 1, 2, 3. 3 singles to get 23. 10 plus 3 equals 23. Y'all have that? Do y'all have that at home? Do y'all have that in class? Great job. We'll see y'all later with a couple of more videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye, y'all at home. Y'all in class, I'm so proud of y'all. Can y'all kiss y'all brain? Great job. And we are done recording this one.